special. We celebrate Onam, Eid and Teachers Day. First we celebrate Onam. We saw beautiful flowers, rangoli, friend wear pretty clothes and dance. Onam is a happy festival from Kerala. Thank you to all who made this fun. Then came Eid. It is the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon them. Pray and learn to be kind. The decorations were very nice. It was a day of love and peace. Let we celebrate Teachers Day. It is on September 5. We said thank you, teachers. Some students became station for Monday. But teaching is not easy. We love teachers. Onam made us happy. We taught us to be kind. Teacher Day made us say thank you. Let us remember this every day. Happy Onam! Eid Mubarak!